In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger CDN in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your website's speed and performance using a content delivery network, or CDN is a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's dive right into the steps to set it up effectively. First, let's start by visiting the Hostinger website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL for Hostinger, or you can simply search for Hostinger online and click on the official website link. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to find and click on the login button. Hostinger has designed this process to be user-friendly, making it a straightforward task to access your account. After logging into your Hostinger account, you'll be directed to the home section of your dashboard. Here you will see various options, but the next step is crucial to move forward. Head over to the hosting section. Clicking on hosting will take you to a page displaying all the hosting services and options available within your account. This is where you manage all kinds of settings related to your website. Once you've accessed the hosting section, look for the manage button. Click on manage, which will open up a slew of settings for the particular hosting service you are currently using. The interface here is crafted to help you navigate effortlessly through the various hosting options. Now that you're in the manage section, you will see an option called performance. Click on performance to dive into the settings that enable you to enhance your website's speed and reliability. This section is particularly significant if you seek a tangible improvement in how your site loads and responds to users. Within the performance menu, you should see an option labeled CDN. Clicking on CDN will guide you to the settings where you can enable and configure your content delivery network. To provide a bit of context, a CDN helps by distributing your website's content across multiple servers around the globe. This distribution reduces the distance your data has to travel to reach visitors, ultimately improving load times and user experience. Remember, a fast website not only ranks better in search engine results, but also offers a smoother experience for your visitors. This simple yet effective configuration on Hostinger makes it achievable even for those who aren't technically inclined. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up the CDN feature on Hostinger. This setup will significantly boost your website's performance and make it more robust against varying traffic loads. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with using Hostinger's CDN. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit if you need any more guidance.